today's video, we are going to see how to do the synthesis of simple halo acids. It is halobenzoic acids to be specific. We are going to learn how to prepare halobenzoic acids, and we'll be learning how to prepare the ortho and the para isomers. Supposing I want to prepare orthochlorobenzoic acid, what should I do? If your intention is to prepare orthochlorobenzoic acid, your starting material will be a compound like this, an aromatic ring, a methyl group attached to it. This is nothing but this is methyl benzene. We all know that methyl benzene is commercially called by the name toluene. Toluene is nothing but methyl benzene. Now, since you want to prepare orthochlorobenzoic acid, there has to be a chlorine atom here. So the chlorine atom, I am using a red pen. You have a chlorine atom here. This is a chlorine atom here. So this becomes orthochlorotoluene. My starting material will be orthochlorotoluene. Now what I do is I subject this to a reaction with KMnO4. I am going to use potassium permanganate. We all know that potassium permanganate is nothing but an oxidizing agent. So where the reaction will take place? What is our basic? The basic says that if I have a methyl group and if I make it to react with potassium permanganate, which is an oxidizing agent, if I have potassium permanganate in the medium, then this methyl group will get converted to carboxyl group. Your methyl group will get converted to carboxyl group. Now how do we write down this? See, many times I have told you while teaching an organic reaction that the reaction will take place at a specific point or a specific site. Only that place you change. The rest of the molecule will remain as it is. So it is like copy and paste. Now, what I told you is the reaction will take place here at the methyl group. So your methyl group gets converted to carboxyl group. Your methyl group undergoes a reaction called as oxidation. It is because of this oxidizing agent, potassium permanganate, and gets converted to carboxyl group COOH. What happens to the chlorine atom? The chlorine atom does not take part in the reaction. So it will remain as it is in the same position. Now this compound which I have got on the paper right now is nothing but orthochlorobenzoic acid. The compound which you prepared is orthochlorobenzoic acid. I repeat, my starting material is orthochlorotoluene. We have a methyl group here, we have a chlorine atom here in the ortho position with respect to each other. You subject it to a reaction with potassium permanganate. This is nothing but an oxidation reaction. Your methyl group is getting converted to carboxyl group. Methyl group on oxidation gives you carboxyl group. Nothing happens to the ring, so you write as it is. Nothing happens to the chlorine atom, you write as it is. We now have a compound orthochlorobenzoic acid. Now supposing I want to prepare a compound para-bromobenzoic acid. My intention is to prepare para-bromobenzoic acid. So the logic will be the same. I start with methyl benzene. This is my methyl benzene. By now you are conversant that methyl benzene is commercially called as toluene. So we have taken methyl benzene. You know methyl benzene is commercially called as toluene. Now, you remove one hydrogen atom from here and you replace it by Br. So this compound becomes para-bromotoluene. This is para-bromomethyl benzene or para-bromotoluene. Now, same reaction. What is it? Oxidation. You require an oxidizing agent. We are using potassium permanganate. Some temperature. The reaction will take place. We know nothing happens to your bromine atom. It will remain as it is. The aromatic ring will remain as it is. So where the reaction will take place? Obviously the reaction will take place here. So I'll put this group in a box so that you can understand the reaction. You have to convert this group, the methyl group. So what happens is, you have an aromatic ring. You have this bromine atom here. Now, which group I am supposed to convert? This group will take part in the reaction. A methyl group on oxidation with potassium permanganate gets converted to carboxyl group. How do you write carboxyl group? COOH. Now this compound which you have prepared is nothing but it is para bromo benzoic acid. So please understand the basic fundamentals of an organic reaction. That will make it easy for you to remember the reaction. So if you have a side chain like methyl, ethyl, and if you are doing the oxidation of that particular group, then that methyl group will get converted to carboxyl group. That's the logic which we have used here to prepare the compounds orthochlorobenzoic acid, and we have prepared the compound para-bromo-benzoic acid by simple reaction is oxidation. The reaction what we have used is oxidation, and we have used potassium permanganate as my oxidizing agent. So these are just one-step reactions. How to prepare orthochlorobenzoic acid and how to prepare para-bromo benzoic acid. Thank you for watching.